Hello, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering which air compressor to buy. Do I get the Ridgid? Do I get the Performax? Do I get the Bostitch? I'm going to tell you, get the tank, get the Metabo. 200 PSI, it's going to last, it's going to have way more capacity in the same portable as this cheaper Toolshop or Bostitch or Ridgid. And it's also nice and quiet. It's really well built and a nice quiet muffler. Spend the extra money, get your 200 PSI one. You'll thank me later.